Hello grade 10 students! Welcome back to my YouTube channel, Angelito Panuncio. In this video, you will learn how to solve problem solving involving arithmetic sequence. Okay, problem number 1. Find the 10th term of the sequence negative 37, negative 34, negative 31, ellipsis. Okay, so ang hinahanap ay yung a sub 10 natin or yung 10th term natin. Okay, what is the difference? Common difference is negative 34 less negative 37, we have 3. At ang ating a sub 1 is equal to negative 37. Okay, using our formula, a sub n is equal to a sub 1 plus n less 1 multiplied to the common difference. Substitute natin, a sub 10 is equal to, what is our a sub 1? We have negative 37 plus, how many terms do we have? We have 10 less 1 multiplied to the common difference. Our common difference is 3. Next, let's simplify. We have negative 37 plus 10 less 1. We have 9 multiplied to 3. And negative 37 plus 9 times 3, we have 27. And negative 37 plus 27, our answer is negative 10. So, ang a sub 10 natin, or ang 10 terms natin is equal to negative 10. So, let's proceed to problem number 2. Find the 23rd term of the sequence 5.7, 3.6, 1.5, and ellipsis. So, same lang din sa ating problem number 1. Ang pinagkaiba lang is 23rd term ang hinahanap. So, a sub 23 ang missing. Yan, straight natin. Then, common difference is equal to 3.6 less 5.7, we have negative 2.1. And ang ating common difference is negative 2.1. And ang ating a sub 1 is equal to 5.7. Okay? So, using our formula of an arithmetic sequence, we have a sub n is equal to a sub 1 plus n less 1 multiplied to the common difference. By substituting, we have a sub 23 is equal to, a sub 1 natin is 5.7 plus n natin is 23 less 1 multiplied to the common difference, negative 2.1. Okay, so 5.7 plus 23 less 1, we have 22 multiplied to negative 2.1. 5.7 plus 22 multiplied by negative 2.1, we have 46.2. Okay? Or negative 46.2. Next, 5.7 plus negative 46.2, we have negative 40.5. So, ito na yung a sub 23 natin, or yung 23rd term natin. Okay, so problem number 3. Find the 15th term of the sequence 23 over 3, 6, 13 over 3, then ellipsis. So, same lang din to sa una at pangalawa nating given problem. Ang pinagkaiba lang, 15th term ang hinahanap. So, ibig sabihin, a sub 15 is equal to, ayan. Then, the common difference, 6 less 23 over 3, we have negative 5 over 3. Ayan. And then, ang ating a sub 1 is equal to 23 over 3. Okay, gamitin ulit natin yung ating formula ng ating arithmetic sequence. A sub n is equal to a sub 1 plus n less 1 multiplied to the common difference. Ayan. By substituting, a sub 15 is equal to, ano a sub 1 natin? 23 over 3 plus, ang n natin is 15 less 1 multiplied to the common difference, negative 5 over 3. Next, 23 over 3 plus 15 less 1, we have 14. Multiply to the common difference, negative 5 over 3. Okay? So, ayan. 23 over 3 plus 14 multiplied by negative 5, we have negative 70 all over 3. Ayan. Equal now to negative 47 all over 3. Ayan. 23 less 70 is equal to negative 47, then copy the denominator since similar yung denominator natin. Problem number 4. Find the 10th term of an arithmetic sequence if a sub 1 is equal to negative 13 and the common difference is equal to 8. So, ang hanapin natin ay yung a sub 10. Then, ang ating common difference is equal to 8. Then, ang ating a sub 1 is equal to negative 13. Okay, gamitin natin yung formula na a sub n is equal to a sub 1 plus n less 1 multiplied to the common difference. Formula ng arithmetic sequence. Okay, a sub 10 is equal to, anong a sub 1 natin? We have negative 13 plus n, number of terms, we have 10 less 1 multiplied to the common difference, which is 8. Yan. Negative 13 plus 10 less 1, we have 9 multiplied to the common difference, 8. Ayan. So, negative 13 plus 9 times 8, we have 72. Negative 13 plus 72, we have 59. So, ito na yung magiging sagot natin sa ating katanungan ng number 4. Okay? So, ang 10th term ng ating sequence is 59. Okay, problem number 5. Find the 16th term of an arithmetic sequence if a sub 1 is equal to 8 and the difference is equal to negative 9. Okay, so same lang din sa problem number 4 natin. 16th term nga lang ang hinahanap. So, a sub 16, ayan ang ating hinahanap. So, the common difference is equal to negative 9. And ang ating a sub 1 is equal to 8. Using our formula of an arithmetic sequence, a sub n is equal to a sub 1 plus n less 1 multiplied to the common difference. We have a sub 16 is equal to, ano a sub 1 natin, we have 8 plus 16 less 1 multiplied to the common difference, negative 9. Okay, so 8 plus 16 less 1, we have 15 multiplied to negative 9. Next, 8 plus 15 less negative 9, we have negative 135. Okay? 8 plus negative 135, it is equivalent to negative 127. So, ito na yung magiging sagot natin. Ang ating 16th term sa ating arithmetic sequence is negative 127. Problem number 6. If the third term of an arithmetic sequence is 13 and the ninth term is 37, what is the common difference? So, illustrate muna natin. A sub 1, A sub 2, A sub 3. Ang A sub 3 natin is equal to 13. Ayan. A sub 4, A sub 5, A sub 6, A sub 6, A sub 7, then A sub 8, and A sub 9. Ano A sub 9 natin? We have 37. So ang ating A sub 3 is equal to 13. Ang ating A sub 9 is equal to 37. Ang hinahanap natin ay yung common difference. So, gamitin natin yung formula ng ating arithmetic sequence. A sub n is equal to a sub 1 plus n less 1 multiplied to the common difference. Okay, so ang a sub n natin is 37. Is equal to, yung a sub 1 natin, gawin natin muna yung a sub 3. Yung a sub 3 natin, gawin natin siya a sub 1. So, ibig sabihin, we have 13. Plus, ilang terms from a sub 3 to a sub 9. So, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So, ibig sabihin, number of terms natin is 7 less 1 multiplied to the common difference. Next, using APE, we have 37 less 13 is equal to 7 less 1. We have 6 multiplied to the difference, which is 6D. Now, 37 less 13, we have 24. Is equal to 6D. Divide both sides by 6. Okay? So, the difference is equal to 4. So, the common difference of our problem is 4. Problem number 7. If the fourth term of an arithmetic sequence is 24 and 12th term is 56, what is the first term? So, illustrate muna natin. A sub 1, A sub 2, A sub 3, A sub 4. Ang A sub 4 natin ay 24. A sub 5, A sub 6, A sub 7, A sub 8, A sub 9, A sub 10, A sub 11, and A sub 12. Ano yung A sub 12 natin? We have 56. So, hanapin muna natin yung common difference. Using our formula, A sub n is equal to A sub 1 plus n less 1 multiplied to the common difference. Okay, so ang A sub n natin is equal to 56 equals, gawin muna natin A sub 1 yung A sub 4 natin kasi yun ang given. So, 24 plus, how many terms from A sub 4 to A sub 12? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. So, we have 9 terms. 9 less 1 multiplied to the common difference. So, 56, using APE, we have 56 less 24 is equal to 9 less 1, we have 8 multiplied to the common difference. So, 56 less 24, we have 32 equals 8D. Ayan. Divide both sides by 8. So, the common difference is equal to 4. Now, nahanap na natin yung common difference, pero ang tanong sa ating problem number 7 is, what is the first term? So, gagamitin na naman natin yung ating formula sa arithmetic sequence. A sub n is equal to A sub 1 plus n less 1 multiplied to the common difference. Okay, sabihin natin A sub 1 hanggang A sub 4. Ang A sub 4 natin, we have 24 is equal to A sub 1 plus number of terms from A sub 1 to A sub 4, we have 4. Less 1 multiply to the common difference. Ano yung common difference natin? We have 4. So, palitan na natin. 4. And next, 24 is equal to A sub 1 plus 4 less 1, we have 3 multiply by 4. Yan. So, ibig sabihin, 24 equals A sub 1 plus 3 times 4, we have 12. Using APE, we have 24 less 12 is equal to A sub 1. Our A sub 1 now is equal to 24 less 12, we have 12. So, ang ating A sub 1, sa problem na to ay 12. Problem number 8. If the fifth term of an arithmetic sequence is 11 and 16th term is negative 77, what is the 20th term? So, ang ating a sub 5 is equal to 11. Ang ating a sub 16 is equal to negative 77. Ang ating a sub 20 ang hinahanap. Okay? So, using formula a sub n is equal to a sub 1 plus n less 1 multiplied to the common difference. Yan, substitute natin. Ang ating a sub n is negative 77. Equals, ang a sub 1 natin, gawin muna natin a sub 1 yung a sub 5. So, ibig sabihin, we have 11. Okay, from a sub 5 to a sub 16, how many terms do we have? Okay? So, we have 12 terms. Less 1 multiplied to the common difference. So, we have negative 77 less 11 is equal to 12 less 1, we have 11 multiplied to the common difference. So, negative 77 less 11, we have negative 88 equals 11D. Dividing both sides by 11, our common difference is equal to negative 8. Okay, so nakuha na natin yung difference natin. Ngayon, kunin naman natin yung 20th term. Using formula a sub n is equal to a sub 1 plus n less 1 multiplied to the common difference. Okay, a sub 20 is equal to, gawin naman natin a sub 1 yung negative 77, yung a sub 16 natin. So, we have negative 77 plus, how many terms do we have from 16 to 20? 16, 17, 18, 19, 20. We have 5 terms. Less 1 multiplied to the common difference. Ano yung common difference natin? We have negative 8. Palitan natin. Ayan. So, next, negative 77 plus 5 less 1, we have 4 multiplied by negative 8 equals negative 77 plus 4 multiplied by negative 8, we have negative 32. So, negative 77 plus negative 32, we have negative 109. So, our a sub 20 or the 20th term in this given problem is negative 109. Problem number 9. What is the arithmetic mean between 85 and 95? So, maging arithmetic mean lang natin dyan is 85 plus 95 divided by 2. Since 2 terms lang naman dyan. So, 85 plus 95, we have 180 divided by 2, which is equal to 90. So, ang ating arithmetic mean given this problem is 90. Problem number 10. What is the arithmetic mean between negative 12 and 4? So, same process lang din siya sa problem number 9 natin. So, we have negative 12 plus 4 divided by 2. It is equal now to negative 12 plus 4, we have negative 8. Divided by 2, we have negative 4. So, ang ating arithmetic mean given this problem is negative 4. Problem number 11. Insert for arithmetic means between 38 and 98. So, illustrate natin. We have 38. Ayan. For arithmetic mean, 3, 4. And then, 98. Okay, to insert arithmetic mean, we need to find the common difference. So, gamitin natin yung formula na a sub n is equal to a sub 1 plus n less 1 multiplied to the common difference. And ang ating a sub n, we have 98. Equals, and ang a sub 1, we have 38. Plus, how many terms do we have? We have 6 terms. Less 1 multiplied to the common difference. Okay, 98, using APE, we have 98 less 38 equals 6 less 1, we have 5 multiplied to the common difference. So 98 less 38, we have 60 is equal to 5D. Dividing both sides by 5, and the common difference is equal to 12. Now, nahanap na natin or nasolve na natin yung common difference. Ayan. I-add na lang natin siya sa preceding term. So, 38 plus 12, we have 50. 50 plus 12, we have 62. 62 plus 12, we have 74. 74 plus 12, we have 86. So, the four arithmetic mean in these given problems are 50, 62, 74, and 86. Problem number 12. Insert 5 arithmetic means between negative 15 and 3. So, same process lang din siya sa problem number 11 natin. So, illustrate natin, negative 15. How many arithmetic means? So, we have 5 arithmetic means. 2, 3, 4, 5, and 3. So, using our formula, hanapin muna natin yung common difference. So, a sub n is equal to a sub 1 plus n less 1 multiplied to the common difference. Ang ating a sub n is 3. Equals, a sub 1 we have negative 15 plus, how many terms do we have? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. We have 7 terms. Less 1 multiplied to the common difference. So, using APE, we have 3 plus 15 is equal to 7 less 1, we have 6 multiplied to the common difference. 3 plus 15, we have 18 equals 6D. Dividing both sides by 6, the common difference now is equal to 3. So, nahanap na natin yung common difference. I-add na lamang natin sa preceding terms. So, negative 15 plus 3, we have negative 12. Negative 12 plus 3, we have negative 9. Negative 9 plus 3, we have negative 6. Negative 6 plus 3, we have negative 3. Negative 3 plus 3, we have 0. Ayan. So, therefore, the 5 arithmetic means between negative 15 and 3 are negative 12, negative 9, negative 6, negative 3, and 0. Problem number 13. Which term of the sequence 13, 6, negative 1, ellipsis is negative 85? So, ang hinahanap dito kung pang ilang term yung negative 85. So, using our formula of an arithmetic sequence, a sub n is equal to a sub 1 plus n less 1 multiplied to the common difference. Substitute lang natin. Ang ating a sub n is equal to negative 85. Equals, ang a sub 1 natin, we have 13 plus n less 1 multiplied to the common difference. And less 1 pa rin siya kasi hindi naman natin alam kung ilang terms meron. Yan ang hinahanap natin. So, ano ang common difference natin? 6 less 13, we have negative 7. So, ang common difference is negative 7. Okay? So, using APE, we have negative 85 less 13 is equal to, yan, multiply natin yung n less 1 sa negative 7. n multiplied by negative 7, we have negative 7n. Negative 1 multiplied by negative 7, we have positive 7. Okay? Next, negative 85 less 13, we have negative 98. Using APE, lipat natin down, magiging less 7 is equal to negative 7n. Okay? So, negative 98 less 7, we have negative 105 is equal to negative 7n. Dividing both sides by negative 7, our value of n now is equal to 15. So it means that negative 85 is the 15th term. Problem number 14. Which term of the sequence 9, 9.4, 9.8, ellipsis is 17? So ang tinatanong dito is kung pang ilang term ang 17 sa ating sequence. So same lang din siya sa problem number 13 natin. Okay, let's solve. A sub n is equal to a sub 1 plus n less 1 multiplied to the common difference. Okay, ano ang ating a sub n? We have 17 is equal to a sub 1, we have 9 plus number of terms, hindi natin alam, less 1 multiplied to the common difference. Anong common difference natin? 9.4 less 9, we have 0.4. Okay, using APE, we have 17 less 9 is equal to, yan, multiply natin n multiplied by 0.4, we have 0.4 n. Less 1 multiplied by 0.4, we have 0.4. Okay? 17 less 9, we have 8. Using APE, negative 0.4, so magkakaroon tayo ng plus 0.4 dito. Is equal to 0.4 n. 8 plus 0.4, we have 8.4 is equal to 0.4 n. Divide both sides by 0.4 or 0.4 n. Our variable n now is equal to 21. So it means that 17 is the 21st term. Problem number 15. The last term of an arithmetic sequence is negative 104. The common difference is negative 13 and the number of terms is 13. What is the first term? So, say natin, ang ating a sub n is equal to negative 104. Ating common difference is negative 13. Okay, number of terms we have 13. At ang hinahanap ay yung a sub 1. Using our formula, we have a sub n is equal to a sub 1 plus n less 1 multiplied to the common difference. By substituting, we have negative 104 is equal to, ano yung a sub 1 natin? Wala. So, yun yung hinahanap. Plus, number of terms, we have 13. Less 1 multiplied to the common difference, which is negative 13. Okay? So, negative 104 is equal to a sub 1 plus 13 less 1, we have 12 multiplied to negative 13. Negative 104 is equal to a sub 1 plus 12 multiplied by negative 13, we have negative 156. And using APE, we have negative 104 plus 156 is equal to a sub 1. Okay? So, negative 104 plus 156, we have 52 is equal to a sub 1. So, ibig sabihin, ang ating a sub 1 ay 52. Problem number 16. How many odd numbers are there between 4 and 112? So, ano nga ba yung mga odd numbers? We have 1, 3, 5, 7, 9, and so on. Pero meron tayong given condition between 4 and 112. It means 5, 7, 9, 11, up to 111. Using our formula, a sub n is equal to a sub 1 plus n less 1 multiplied to the common difference. Hanapin natin kung ilang terms meron sa given problem na to. Okay, ang ating a sub n, we have 111 is equal to a sub 1, we have 5 plus and less 1 multiply to the common difference. Anong common difference natin? 7 minus 5, we have 2. So using APE, we have 111 less 5 is equal to, and multiply by 2, we have 2n, less 1 multiplied by 2, we have 2. So 111 minus 5, we have 106. Using AP again, negative 2 plus 2 is equal to 2n. Okay? So 108 is equal to 2n. Divide both sides by 2. And variable n now is equal to 54. It means that there are 54 terms, odd number, between 4 and 112. Problem number 17. How many terms are there in the sequence 1, 4, 7, 10, ellipsis, up to 682? So, kunin natin, a sub n, we have 682. Our a sub 1 is equal to 1. Common difference is equal to 3 or minus 1, 3. Ngayon, ang hinahanap natin kung ilang terms meron. So, using our formula, a sub n is equal to a sub 1 plus n less 1 multiplied to the common difference. Ang ating a sub n, we have 682 is equal to a sub 1, we have 1 plus n less 1 multiplied to the common difference, which is 3. Okay, using APE, we have 682 less 1 is equal to, and multiplied by 3, we have 3n. Negative 1 multiplied by 3, we have negative 3. So we have 681 plus 3. Yung negative 3, nilipat natin doon, is equal to 3n. So 681 plus 3, we have 684 is equal to 3n. Dividing both sides by 3, variable n now is equal to 228. It means that there are 228 terms in this sequence. Problem number 18. How many multiples of 4 are there between 5 and 125? So illustrate natin. We have 8, 12, 16, 20, up to 124. So, ayan yung mga multiples ng 4 between 5 and 125. Okay, gamitin ulit natin yung formula na a sub n is equal to a sub 1 plus n less 1 multiplied to the common difference. Ang ating a sub n is 124 is equal to a sub 1, we have 8 plus n less 1 multiplied to the common difference. 12 minus 8, we have 4. So using APE, we have 124 less 8 is equal to, n multiplied by 4, we have 4n less 4. Negative 1 multiplied by 4. Next, 124 less 8, we have 116. As using AP again, negative 4 maging positive 4 dito is equal to 4n. So, 116 plus 4, we have 120 is equal to 4n. Dividing both sides by 4, and our variable n is equal to 30. And it means that there are 30 multiples of 4 between 5 and 125. Problem number 19. In an arithmetic sequence, a sub 2 is equal to 9 and a sub 8 is equal to 21. Find the first term and the common difference. So illustrate muna natin siya. A sub 1, a sub 2, a sub 3, a sub 4, A sub 5, A sub 6, A sub 7, A sub 8. Okay, ang given is A sub 2, we have 9. A sub 8, we have 21. So, ang tinatanong, find the first term and the common difference. So, para hanapin ang common difference, let's use the formula of an arithmetic sequence. A sub n is equal to A sub 1 plus n less 1 multiplied to the common difference. Ang ating A sub n is equal to 21. Is equal to, okay, gawin muna natin A sub 1 yung A sub 2 natin. We have 9. Plus, how many terms from A sub 2 to A sub 8? We have 7 terms. Less 1 multiplied to the common difference. Ayan. So, 21 less 9 using APE, we have 7 less 1, 6 multiplied to the common difference. So, 21 less 9, we have 12 is equal to 6D. Divide both sides by 6. The common difference now is equal to 2. Okay, so nahanap na natin ang common difference. Okay, so let's find for the first term. Our first term is equal to A sub 2 less the difference, common difference. Okay, so ang ating A sub 2 ay 9 at ang ating common difference ay 2. So 9 minus 2, we have 7. So ang ating first term ay 7. Problem number 20. Find all the unknown terms in the arithmetic sequence A sub 1, A sub 2, A sub 3, A sub 4, 28, A sub 6, A sub 7, A sub 8, and 48. Illustrate muna natin siya. So, we have A sub 1, A sub 2, A sub 3, A sub 4, A sub 5, A sub 6, A sub 7, A sub 8, and A sub 9. So, ang given is 28, the fifth terms. So, we have 28 in our fifth terms, and yung 48 sa 9 terms. So, 48. Okay? So, using our formula, A sub n is equal to A sub 1 plus n less 1 multiplied to the common difference. Hanapin muna natin yung common difference. Ang ating A sub n is 48. Is equal to yung A sub 1, gawin muna natin A sub 1 yung A sub 5 natin since yan ang given. So, we have 28 plus how many terms from A sub 5 to A sub 9? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So, we have 5 terms. So, 5 less 1 multiplied to the common difference. 48 using APE, 48 less 28 is equal to 5 less 1, 4 multiplied to the common difference. 48 less 28, we have 20 is equal to 4D. Ayan. Divide both sides by 4. And so, the common difference is equal to 5. Okay, so nahanap na natin yung common difference. Now, hanapin naman natin yung A sub 1 or yung mga missing terms. Okay? So, mag-add na lang tayo. Ayan. So, 28 plus 5, we have 33. 33 plus 5, we have 38. 38 plus 5, we have 43. Dito naman sa A sub 4, syempre, mag-minus lang tayo ng 5. So, we have 23, 18, 13, then 8. So, ibig sabihin, ang ating A sub 1 ay 8. Ang ating A sub 2 ay 13. Ang ating A sub 3 ay 18. Ang ating A sub 4 ay 23. Okay? A sub 6 is 33. A sub 7 is 38. And A sub 8 is 43. So, ayun na yung magiging sagot natin. So, that's all for the problem solving of an arithmetic sequence.